Alright, so as I explained in my previous video, bought the 8K 360 action camera, and I've recently bought this motorcycle bundle. Now this is for motorcycles, but I am going to try and use it for my vehicle, because ultimately, because it's an action camera, you want to have the best photos. So what I've done is, as an idea, here's my roof rack, if you notice. Now, what I've done is what I've added on top is a old bicycle rack, and the reason why I did that is because I want to mount my camera right at the top there. So what I've just done is I've dismantled it, and I've just used the holdfast connectors for on both sides. Now, this is probably not the best idea, but at least it gives you now another way of looking at the how you can take your best videos, best footage from the top of your vehicle. And ultimately, because I had a roof rack, I thought, well, let me just add it. And so to secure it, I've got reused those three holdfasts that we used to be for the bicycle. And basically that is what I'm going to do. Now let's see if this is going to work. Well, the first idea, I managed to get this car up, and I'm just a bit worried that obviously you can't drive fast, but I have mounted the bracket there and I've secured it there, but I might have some play on this for purposes. I didn't take the cover off, but yeah, this is the first idea I thought I can use. Might get some good pictures, but I'm just worried that the front part might be just not secure enough for that purpose. Alright, so let me look at the next one and see if that might be a better idea. Alright, the alternative, I've got the camera mounted on there, and well, that's definitely the best option at the moment, because I think that selfie stick might be a bit of a problem. But yeah, that should give you some sort of footage. But yeah, please give me comments on this, and if anybody else got some better ideas, you're welcome to leave your comments for me, please. Thank you so much for watching.